Hi everybody and welcome back to Jaffa Cooks, and today I'm super excited. I'm actually going to make a burger out of my pulled roast lamb. So before I start, if you want to find out more about how I did the pulled roast lamb, check out the link that's on my description below. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click on the bell icon for the latest updates, and if you like what you see, share a like with families and friends. And if you really like it, give me a big thumbs up. Okay, so this is already done. It was actually a couple of months ago we created this dish, which was slow roast lamb, and some of it was left over, and I'm a great fan of freezing things, so anything that was left over we tend to either consume the same week or we'll freeze it. So this is what was left over, and kids were hungry, so I thought, well, what better to take the roast lamb out, put it in some kind of sauce, and then put it in a burger bun and see what it comes out with. Nothing wrong with experimenting. Let's see what it turns out to be. So I'm going to take, I've got some harissa, a good heaped tablespoon of harissa. You can reduce it down if you don't like too much heat. And then I've got some stock cube and about 100 ml of water. So I'm going to pop over to the pan and just literally, it's going to take about 4 or 5 minutes to basically bring this up to boil, mix the sauce in, and then we'll basically serve it within the burger. So let's pop over to the hob and let's start cooking. Okay, so I'm just going to pour my water into the pan, and I'm going to pop my stock cube in it very, very quickly. That should basically just start dissolving into the water. Once that's done, I'm going to take my harissa paste, and harissa itself is full of flavor. So I'm just going to mix that in. I don't want the water to totally evaporate, but I want the harissa and the water to become a little bit of a thick paste like you see now. Now, once this is ready, all we have to do now is pop in the roast lamb. Now this shouldn't take long. Now I've put about 80 ml of water just to bring the sauce together. Now if you want your filling to be more watery or have a bit more juice to it, then do add another 10-15 ml to it. So I'm just going to add the rest of my 10-15 ml. Just going to bring it up to the heat now, and really need to just break down as much as this we can, and once it sits in that burger bun it will really look and taste beautiful. So I'm just going to let this simmer over a lowish type heat. So whilst I'm getting the burger buns ready, I'm just going to pop this on a simmer heat, low to medium, and then I'll see you back at the serving area.